Claire and I are here in Adairsville at Thacker Farm by Smith Douglas Homes, and we're going to check out one of the newest floor plans, the McGinnis, which is becoming very popular, I understand, Claire.
It really is. The McGinnis has about 2,400 square feet of living space, very open floor plan, and includes a lot of those features that a lot of home shoppers look for today in homes.
Now, right here, when you walk into the front door on the right is this beautiful dining room. And I understand it's an open floor plan, but it's so nice to have the dining right here. And even though upstairs there are 4 bedrooms, is it correct that you could actually change this up if you needed to?
You really can. We have an option that can make this into a full guest suite on the main level, which then would change the half bathroom that we have here into a full bathroom.
Well, let's go see the rest of the house. Oh wow, yeah, I can see why this one's really popular.
Isn't it pretty? And so we have the kitchen in one area with that included island, and I think it's the 9-foot ceilings that make this feel so open and spacious. And we also have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. But as you can see from this space, there is room for a kind of less formal dining area also.
This really does have just such a great flow, and I love that there's an outdoor area right by the kitchen.
Yeah, it's great.
Well, let's go check out upstairs.
Sure.
I love this loft area, Claire. There really is so many options for families up here.
Isn't it a great space? And on this upstairs level, we have the owner's suite. We also have an additional 3 bedrooms along with this open loft area.
Well, Claire, we know that Thacker Farm is in Adairsville, and the Smith Douglas is actually opening up another neighborhood in Adairsville, right?
That's right. Aubrey Park will have 105 homes once completed, and we hope to be selling in that community very soon. Located right off of Old Highway 41 alongside Adairsville High School.
Well, Claire, we know that Smith Douglas is known for building quality homes at affordable prices. So what price points are we talking about?
Thacker Farm here, we're currently selling in the high 2s, and we expect that Aubrey Park will sell around that same price point.
Well, Claire, if someone wants to know more about Thacker Farm or Aubry Park, what is the best way to do that?
Our model home here at Thacker Farm is open daily, so we invite and encourage people to stop by for a tour. They can also visit us online at smithdouglas.com or call me directly at 678-552-0289.
Well, Claire, thanks so much for being here with me today, and I can see why the McGinnis floor plan is so popular, and it will be available at both communities. So you'll want to come and check them out today at Smith Douglas Homes, where it's your home, your choice within reach.